Hello code crafting wizards. Today, we're going to delve into the magical world of React and learn how to create a simple to-do list application. This tutorial will also give you a clear understanding of the spread operator and its usage in the React ecosystem. Here, we've imported React and the useState hook, which is going to help us manage the state of our application. We've also imported a to-do item component, which we'll get to a bit later. First, let's initialize our state using the useState hook. Here, we've created two pieces of state: input value for the current input value, and items to hold our list of to-do items. Each state variable has its own setter function, which we'll use to update the state. Next, we'll write a function called formInput. This function will be used to update our input value state as we type into the input field. This function takes an event as a parameter. We're getting the current value of our input field from event.target.value and setting this value to our input value state. Now, we'll write a function called addInput. This function will add our current input value to our item state. We're calling setItems to update our item state. Notice how we're using the spread operator to include all existing items, and then we're adding a new object with an id and value. After adding the new item, we clear the input value. Our next function, deleted_item, will be used to delete an item from our items array. We're using the filter method to create a new array excluding the item with the given id. We then update our item state with this new array. Finally, let's define the return statement for our app component. We have an input field that updates input value on every change. We also have an add button that calls our addInput function to add new items. Our list of items is dynamically generated using the map method. For each item in our items array, we're creating a new to-do item component. Each to-do item component receives a key for React's internal use, an id, the value of the to-do item, and an onChecked function, which is called when the item is to be deleted. And there we have it. A fully functioning to-do list, built with React and the magic of the spread operator. This simple application showcases the power of React and how to manipulate state using the useState hook. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to keep crafting magical code.